Using the Append tool to reconcile shapefile data for Geodatabase import. This tutorial will cover what to do just in case a GIS user is unable to copy and paste shapefile data into a Geodatabase due to a discrepancy in field names. Normally, one can simply copy and paste between tables. However, the schema has to be identical for that to take place. In other words, the field names need to be identical and the data types need to be identical. For the sake of demonstration, if one were to select all of the data from the shapefile and then go into Map, Copy, enable the Paste functionality, click Paste Special, and then paste from Utilities Shapefile into Utilities Geodatabase, click OK, and open the Geodatabase. Notice how the data is empty for the fields that don't match. The comments field is identical between the feature classes, but the fire hydrants and the miscellaneous fields, those are truncated in the shapefile feature class. Because the copy and paste functionality failed in this case due to a difference in fields, one can either go in and change all of the fields manually in the utilities shapefile, or one can use the Append tool. Go to Analysis, go to Tools, and search for Append. Click Append, specify the input data set. That would be the shapefile data. Go to Add. Choose the target data set. That would be the Geodatabase utilities. For field matching type, choose Use the field map to reconcile field differences because not all of the fields match. Notice how Comments is not in red because the fields match. Fire hydrants and miscellaneous are in red because they need to find a match. Choose Fire hydrants. Go to Add New Source and choose the truncated version for the source. Go to Add Selected. Notice it's no longer in red. Go to Miscellaneous. Go to Add New Source. Go to Miscellaneous and then choose the field to which it corresponds. Go to Add Selected. Click Run. Geoprocessing was successful. Close out of the geoprocessing window. Click Refresh. And notice how the Append tool moved all of the data from the truncated fields into the fields to which they correspond in the Geodatabase. This concludes the tutorial of how to use the Append tool to move data from a shapefile with truncated fields into a Geodatabase.